Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: a working SIM, an active data plan, and no carrier outages. Once done, toggle airplane mode on for 5 seconds, then off to force a network rescan. Next, go to Settings, right arrow Network, right arrow Mobile Network, and toggle Mobile Data. This restarts the radio without a reboot. If that doesn't reconnect, check the access point name settings. Incorrect APN values prevent cellular data. You do this now to avoid wasted steps later. Now you focus on APN and network mode because those are common failure points. Open APN settings and either reset to default or input the carrier's exact values: name, APN, username, password, MCC, and MNC. Wrong entries block data. Then make sure preferred network type includes LTE or 4G. Some phones stuck on 3G won't route modern data. If changes still fail, reset network settings. This clears saved Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, but often resolves deeper config conflicts. Proceed step by step. Finish by testing. Open a browser and a lightweight app to confirm packets flow. If the signal is weak, move to a different spot and retest. Make sure your phone and carrier settings are up to date. Sometimes an OS or carrier update restores compatibility with towers. If you recently installed VPNs, firewall apps, or battery optimizers, uninstall them and try again. These can block mobile data. If things still fail, try the SIM in another phone to determine whether the SIM or device is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.